going. I'm having a hard time keeping track of you.
Hi. What are you doing?
How you doing, little buddy?
Dancing.
Oh,
Without picture.
wow.
Skipping you. What else would I do? Whatever it is.
Yeah?
To you. Today was crushy. Nice in a movie of it.
Oh boy, you're worn out, aren't you?
Yes.
You don't think you can do it again, huh? Nope. Okay. Come up and say hi.
Hi.
Go ahead. Wow. Are you dancing?
Yeah.
Woo!
I had a headache once and she got rid of it.
Huh.
So
if you're ever going to do a massage,
Wow.
Tiff again.
Yay! Is it moving? Hi.
Hi.
I'm Nicole's daddy.
Well, you're not Nicole. I'm Nicole.
Me and Pete.
Well, I'm Nicole's daddy. That's right.
Dance.
Yeah, but he heard it.
This.
He heard it. I don't
Oh,
think
that's
he-
your finger.
I don't think
Don't
he
touch it.
explained to
I'm
them
not.
why he was doing what he was doing.
Whatever you're
He
doing.
did. She
Whoa,
didn't hear it
whoa.
or didn't understand
Okay.
it.
What are you doing?
Didn't take the
That's
time
good.
to